didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Crap. Looks like we're gonna have to swim.
You're joking me, Caillou. You know how much swimming scares me.
Look, I'm a really good swimmer, sis. If you want, I'll hold on to you and I won't let go.
Me too, Isa. Rosie, you're going to have to trust us. It could be the only way we get out alive.
Rosie, I'm scared to go in that water too.
So then what do you suggest, Lily?
You four go ahead and save yourselves. Me and Rosie will find another way.
But we can't. Dad'll kill you both. I can't bear the thought of that happening.
Just go, honestly. We don't want you getting killed because we were too scared. Go and save yourselves. We'll be okay. So do you really think we'll be okay, Lily? Rosie, they probably wouldn't have gone if we'd said otherwise. So whatever we do, our days are numbered? Yes. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Rosie.
Rosie, Lily, what are you doing? Where are the others?
Alfie, they're in the sea. We ran and we ended up here and this was a dead end, but me and Rosie didn't want to swim. It scares us to death. We told them to save themselves. Yeah, we can't swim. So whatever happens, we're both going to die very shortly.
Don't talk like that. Listen, I took a shortcut so your dad should be miles back. I've also got every cop in Go Animate City after him. I can still get us away from here.
I knew your fear of water would fail to save you one day. It's time to say goodbye.
No. If you want to finish Rosie and Lily off, you'll have to get through me first. Girls, stay behind me at all times.
Dad, or Boris, I don't know why you can't just accept it's game over.
Rosie, did you just fucking call me Boris?
Yes, she did. And you know why? This guy in front of us now, he's been a great support. In fact, I'd go as far as say that he is family. Boris, you're nothing. You're nobody.
Well, I don't care, because it's time to die.
What the heck?
Is he dead?
I hope so, Rosie.
Good. He's dead. Guys, we need you to clear the area now.
But what about the others?
Don't worry, sweetheart. Our aircrew have found them on an island nearby. They're flying them back to safety as we speak.
You heard what the man said, girls. Let's get you back to your mum. Thanks for saving us, by the way.
Just doing my job, sir.
Said she tired, little money, need a big boy. Pull up 20-inch blades like I'm Lil Troy. Now it's everybody flocking, need a